Welcome back. You're watching The Money Show, and it's time to answer your portfolio queries. And I have with me Pankaj Mathpal, who will be answering your portfolio queries live and will be doing your financial planning. Hi, sir. Good evening. Welcome to the show. And let's begin. We have an email from Anil Pawar, and he says that he's got Parag Parikh Flexi Cap, Nippon a large cap, Motilal Oswal large and mid cap, and Bandhan small cap. He's got Kotak Multicap DSP Value Fund also. 13,000 per month is what he's investing, and he's been doing this since last 3 years, and he wants to invest for next 20 years, and he wants to accumulate almost 2 CR, and wants to know if the funds are good to go and aligned with his financial goals. So, interesting funds, and I would say all the best in the category.
Kavita, good evening. Yes, I agree with you that all the funds what he has selected are good. But see, he has 20 years long horizon and he has major exposure in large cap, either directly or through the other funds. So one suggestion that from Motilal Oswal large and mid cap fund, he can switch to Motilal Oswal mid cap fund to rebalance the portfolio. Second thing regarding his target, he has set up a target of once 2 CR after 20 years. But if you assume 6% inflation, even then the value of this 2 crore after 20 years will be something like 62,000 rupees as on today. So that is why he should also reset his target. It should be something 5 CR or more than that. But if we calculate at the current investment, what he has around 1.20 lakh right now, and his SIPs of 13,000 rupees per month. With this, he can expect, he has something today, total 13,000 rupees SIP. Yeah, and lump sum, he does not have anything. So with this, if I calculate with 12% CAGR, he can expect around 1,20,000 after 20 years, which is too small. So then means he should definitely do step up. But with 10% step up also, he won't be able to achieve much. In 20 years, around 2.42 lakh only can expect. So he should increase his SIP amount. So either he should increase this to 62,000 per month to accumulate 2 crore rupees, or he should otherwise it will take very long time. So already 20 years horizon he has considered. So he can expect, as I said, 1 crore 20 lakh in 20 years, or with 10%, 2 crore 42 lakh rupees. But as I mentioned, that with inflation, the value of this 2 crore will be too less. Considering that fact, he should increase his SIP amount.
Definitely, he needs to look into stepping up his SIPs over here. And for all the viewers who also want to send across your queries, you can WhatsApp us your question and also email us your queries in order to get your live financial planning done. Pankaj, let's take Ravi's question from Raipur. And he says that he's got HSBC mid cap 2,500, Kotak Flexi Cap 1,500, SBI Focus 2,000 rupees SIP, HDFC Small Cap monthly SIP 3,000, Axis Mid Cap 3,500, Mira Asset Large Cap 2,200, ICICI Balance Advantage 2,000 per month, HDFC Focus Fund also 1,000 rupees per month. Current valuation, he says, is 14 lakhs. Target is 10 years and 1.5 CR.
Let's first talk about the fund selection. See, all the funds are good, but again, there are 2 focus funds. So my suggestion that from SBI focus fund, he should switch to SBI contra fund, and he can continue the SIP with the rest, all other funds. As far as his target is concerned, see, again, at 12% CAGR, we can expect around 83 lakh rupees in 10 years with what 14 lakh he has accumulated by now and 17,700 per month SIP. And his target is 1.50 crore in 10 years. For this, he'll have to increase his SIP. So if I again do a calculation at 12% CAGR, he should start SIP of 33,000 rupees per month. Means right now 17,700 per month SIP he is doing, which should be increased to 33,000 per month. And along with this, he will also have to step up his SIP by 10% every year. So target what he has set up and what we are expecting with the current investment, there is a big gap. So he'll have to increase his SIP amount. Otherwise, if we continue his current investment, it will take 21 years to achieve that 1.5 crore, but he wants to achieve in 10 crore. So only choice that he has to increase his SIP and plus step up at 10% every year.
All right, I think with that it's a wrap. Thank you so much, Pankaj, for being on the show and helping our viewers strategize their investment portfolio and also helping them with different investment strategies. Thank you so much for taking time out. And for all the viewers who are watching this show and are still thinking as to how can we help them or how can they reach out to us and take help from our experts, all you have to do is just send across your question on our WhatsApp number and email ID that's flashing on the screen. Do give us details on your existing investments that you want to do, or anything that you want our experts to guide you on. Do send across your question and we will get it answered live on the show. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.